How to avoid players as teammates in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile here, or beside your profile here, the icon right there besides your profile. Now go to recent players by clicking on the clock icon right here. After that, you just simply need to find the player that you don't want to play with anymore. So let's say I don't want to play with this player anymore. So you just simply need to right click on that player. As you can see, you could avoid them as your teammate. So the next time that you queue up, you won't queue up with that particular person that you've avoided. So click on avoid as teammate. As you can see, are you sure you want to put that person on your avoid as teammate list for 3 days? So you could also manage your list anytime in your settings. But this will only avoid them for 3 days. So do mind that after 3 days, there's a possibility that you might queue up with that person again. But after that, you could just simply avoid them again on your recent players list. And that's basically it.